Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to our daily live PNLE study session. Yan. Kindly share the link bago tayo mag-start para medyo madami tayo, no? Hi! Hello sa mga nagjo-join. Good evening sa inyo. Kamusta kayo? Ayan, wait muna tayo ng mga tao, no? So I'm excited because we actually have a good news. We have a new promotion today. So later ko na i-announce kapag medyo nagkaroon na ng tao, no? Yan. Happy Friday, everyone. Sa wakas, natapos ng linggo. Weekend na. Sige, wait lang natin muna. Ayan, share natin yung link, guys. Wait. Ay, shock. Sandali Share ko lang yung... Sandali. Ayan, okay. Alright, hello. Teka i-reconnect ko lang. Alright, hello. Teka i-reconnect ko lang. Alright. Ayan. Alright. Oh, wait. Sorry, kapos ko lang. Ayan. So, okay. So, yan. Naku, wala pa tayong kasama, no? Let's wait for others. Parang busy yata yung mga tao tonight, no? But anyway, sige, even though we're just, ilan lang tayo nagpa-fluctuate yung number, no? But we can go ahead and start at least. Which topic do you like to start with? Yung mga nandito, yung mga naka-join sa atin ngayon, anong bet nyo? Gusto nyo ba ng community health, fundamentals, maternal, mental health, Palmer, or medical, med-surg? Ayan, Palmer. Sige. So before I start, guys, I would like to share the good news lang muna, no? So later on, ulitin ko na lang para sa mga late joiners. So, meron kasi tayong promotion. So, nung last time, less 500 lang tayo, di ba? But now, meron na tayong ino-offer na 1,000 pesos off. Ayan. Napakalaking discount yan, guys. For 40% off. Ito, yung nakalagay sa taas, guys. So, para sa mga November takers, actually, ito yung medyo perfect na, what do you call this? Na package. Wait lang Ay, sorry. Oo, yung nakalagay. No? Pero, kasi itong 1,000 off na to is ano lang to, until April, mga 13 lang tong promotion na to. So, if you can, guys, avail that. Sayang din, malaking discount, no? Okay, so yeah, let's start with Palmer. Yan. Kasama na rin kasi dyan sa package na yung less 1,000, yung sinasabi naming final coaching classes. Okay, let's start. Okay, so let's go to question number 1. Leslie works in a maternity ward for a private hospital. Patient Dora informed her that she is confused, afraid, and needs spiritual counseling. So, as a nurse, Leslie will A. Ignore her request since it's not your priority to attend that need. B. Ask her religious affiliation and assist her to look for a counselor that she needs. C. Refer her to your parish priest or minister, or D. Counsel her according to your beliefs and practices. Okay, we got two letter Bs. Okay, tama. So, ito na, sorry ha. Okay to. So, ang tamang sagot B kasi, asking the patient's religious affiliation before addressing her needs constitutes a good practice of promoting patient's autonomy and advocacy. Respecting their religion to address her spiritual needs will result to a better patient care outcomes. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. So a nurse wants to become a member of the BON. She asks you about its qualifications. Your correct response would be all the following except A. You must be a holder of master's degree in nursing. B. A natural born citizen and resident of the Philippines. C. Haven't been convicted with any offense involving perjury, falsification of public documents, had been convicted by any offense involving perjury or falsification of, parang naulit lang, sorry. And then you have been practicing the nursing profession continuously for at least 10 years before the appointment. Okay, C daw, C. Okay, and the answer is D. Teka ha. Ano ba ito? Okay. So D, kasi you can apply as a member of the BON. However, it should be specified that he or she practices nursing for 5 years in the Philippines. Guys, pag ganito, no, pansin niyo letter C, parang meron lang konting, minor error with the answer. Para lang, we can click on the 3 dots and then report question issue. So, kunyari, typographical, for example, letter C option. Yan, mga ganyan. Okay? Okay. Okay, next tayo. Alright, question number 3. Nurse Sarah distributes patient satisfaction surveys to patients who are about to be discharged from the hospital. So this action is related to which quality standard? A. Organizational structure and professional ethics. B. Identification of patient rights and welfare. C. Improving performance of healthcare personnel. Or D. Human resource management and staffing pattern. So, we got, napakabilis ng sagot. Letter A daw. Meron ding C from Eagle. Sige, let's have more answers from the others para tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging majority. Ano? Sige, parang wala naman na answer. So, let's try A, no? Since yun yung unang naging sagot. Oh, okay. So, tama si Eagle. Letter C. So, improving performance of healthcare personnel. So, explanation naman dito ay collecting patient feedback through satisfaction survey is a way to assess and improve the performance of healthcare personnel. Ayun siya. Okay? Next. A physician orders 1,000 ml of dextrose, 5% in water, to be infused over 8 hours with an IV tubing that delivers 15 drops per milliliter. What rate should Nurse Simon run the IV infusion? My God, ito yung pinakayo ko, mga computation. Okay, A, 30 drops per minute. B, 32 drops per minute. C, 20 drops per minute. Or D, 18 drops per minute. So, anong sagot sa inyong mga computation? Okay, we got B. Tama ba? Answer mo yan dito, no? Sa question number 4. Chabs. Tama ba, Chabs? Sorry. Hindi ako masyadong sure minsan sa mga username. Okay, while waiting for the answer, So guys, sa mga bagong join, I just wanna introduce to you ang ating bagong promotion. So meron tayong 1,000 off ngayon, guys. Ayan, sayang. Take advantage of this. Until ano lang to, April 13, Sunday. O, diba? Ang laki-laking discount na yan, guys. And lalo na nalalapit na ang ating board exam. So, dapat talaga more on practice na talaga. Ma-expose na kayo lalo sa mas maraming questions para syempre, the more knowledge, the better, diba? So, ayan, you can just use the code Latiners para makakaroon kayo ng discount, okay? So, if you will compare naman din kasi yung price sa website, talagang makikita nyo yung difference niya. Teka, sasagutin ko muna to ha, bago ko ituloy yung aking chika. So, A, sige ha, kasi 13 seconds na lang, okay. Okay, the answer is B. So, may countdown din siya, no? Kailangan masagutan din natin siya on time. So, 32 drops per minute. So, bakit, no? Tama si Maya Bells. Yung computation is 32 drops per minute. Giving 1,000 ml over 8 hours is the same as giving 125 ml over 1 hour or 60 minutes. So, find the number of milliliters per minute as follows. So, 125 over 60 equals x over 1, no? And then 60, ayan, yung ididikit mo na siya. So, 60 tas yung x equals 125 equals 2.1 ml per minute. So, ayan, to find the right number, ito na yung computation niya. Nakikita niyo ba? Medyo, teka. Hindi siya pala nazuzuman, no? Pero anyway, ayan, nasa may baba. Okay? So, I'm sure alam niyo naman na yan, pero minsan parang, di ba, kahit nadaanan natin, parang minsan, nakakalimutan. So, kailangan lang ma-remind tayo. Okay? Now, next question number 5. So, a policy of the hospital where you work violates the patient's rights. What would be your appropriate action? A, question policy through proper channels but respect the patient's right when faced with a situation calling for it. B, follow the hospital's policy. There's no patient's bill of rights in the Philippines. C, call the police and blotter the incident. Or D, resign from the hospital because this is incompatible with the professional standards set by the Code of Ethics for Filipino nurses. Okay, we got letter A from Eagle. Tama, Eagle, no? This is for question number 5. Sige, let's try that, ha? Hello sa mga bagong join lang. Good evening sa inyong lahat and happy Friday. Finally, nag-end na ang week na to, guys. Weekend na. Okay. So, the Patient's Bill of Rights and Responsibilities has 3 major objectives. So, first, okay, to strengthen consumer confidence by assuring the healthcare system is fair and responsive to consumers' needs and provides consumers with credible and effective mechanisms to address their concerns and encourages consumers to take an active role in improving and assuring their health. Okay? Second, to reaffirm the importance of a strong relationship between patients and their healthcare professionals. Third, to reaffirm the critical role consumers play in safeguarding their own health by establishing both rights and responsibilities for all participants in improving health status. And then following the proper channels for policy questioning ensures proper line of communication within the organization. So, ang tamang sagot ay letter A. So, just in case you would like to see again the question, here it is. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to question number 6. So, wala naman kayong mga pasok bukas, no? Dahil Saturday at saka pa-holiday na rin, no? Meron pa bang mga naka-duty ngayon? Okay, so question number 6. When conducting research on sleep, if a 24-hour period of clinical observations and activities is considered, what type of study is being conducted? Okay, A, quantitative, B, descriptive, C, phenomenological, or D, exploratory? Okay, meron tayong sagot kay Eagle. A, pero nagkaroon siya ng change of heart. B na lang daw. How about the others? Sige, wait natin. Baka meron pa silang ibang perspective sa tanong na to. Ano sa palagay nyo, guys? A, B, C, or D? Hello sa mga bagong join lang, guys. You can tawag dito, scan our QR code para ma-download nyo ng ating One Nurse app. Okay? And then you can continue later on kasi guys, nakakabitin talaga if you're just gonna rely on the live sessions. So, iba rin talaga yung may sarili kayong access. Okay. Letter D, sige. Yun yung medyo, nakikita kong majority. But the answer is B. So, tama si... Teka, may mga nag-B dito. Si Eagle, si Maya. Oh, nag-change si Maya ng answer or maybe answer mo ba yun previously? So, anyway, the answer is B, no? Descriptive. So, descriptive study involves observing and detailing phenomena as they naturally occur, such as documenting sleep patterns over a 24-hour period. Okay? I hope that's clear. So, let's move on to number 7. Okay pa naman kayo, guys? Alright, number 7 for Palmer. Kevin is tasked with evaluating patient satisfaction for a study at the hospital. He decides to include all adult patients admitted between April and May who stayed for 3 to 4 days, were first-time admissions, and had no complications. So which factor is an extraneous variable in his study? Okay? Sorry. A, date of admission. B, length of stay. C, age of patients. Or D, absence of complications. Teka lang guys, sisinga lang ako. Sige, sagot lang kayo. Ayan, I'm so sorry. Medyo sinisipan ang lolaw nyo today. Okay. So, what's your answer here? Okay. Cheryl, ano ba tong letter? Ano ba tong D? Sorry, for question 7 ba ito? For Maya A. Okay, sige. Actually, we have 3 A's now. Okay, so the answer is letter C, age of patients. Ayan, bakit? So, an extraneous variable such as age can affect the study's results, but it's not the primary focus of the research. The study focuses on satisfaction related to specific conditions and exclusions. Okay? All right, let's move on to question number 8. Okay, so ethical principles are tenets that govern action. The principle that is seen when a nurse prevents medication errors from occurring is known as A, non-maleficence, B, justice, C, autonomy, or D, beneficence. Ayan, parang medyo konti tayo pag ganitong time, no? Parang napansin ko lang. Mas busy ba kayo ng ganitong oras? Anyway, Friday night naman na, baka party yung ibang tao, no? Ayan, thank you so much sa mga nagla-live. Nagla-like, sorry, ng ating live. Ayan. Okay. Sige, I'll take A. Kasi parang yun yung common answer. Okay. So yes, tama kayong lahat. So one must accept a substantial risk to one's safety in order not to cause harm. Okay, so yes, good job. Okay, let's move on to number 9. Okay, performance appraisal includes the following activities except for A, setting specific standards and activities for individual performance. B, using agency standards as a guide. C, determine areas of strength and weaknesses. Or D, focusing activity on the correction of identified behavior. What is your answer? Ayan. Guys, take advantage na itong ating discount dito. Yung 1,000 pesos off, napakalaking discount yan. Ngayon lang ako naka-witness din ng ganyan discount from One Nurse. Kasi nga previously, laging 500 lang yung discount, no? And aside from that, may 1,000 off ka na. Kasama ka pa dito sa PNLE Final Coaching Classes wherein you will be able to talk to top-notchers who personally use this application for review. So, mga gumagamit din ng One Nurse. Tapos, top-notcher din sila. So, di ba, bongga. Okay, D. Okay. Ayan, tama. So, Performance appraisal involves assessing both positive and negative aspects of an individual's performance and is not intended solely for identifying faults or shortcomings. Ayan. Okay, so guys, and also I'd like to highlight pala, meron tayong free trial ha. If you would like just to try the application for 1 week or for 7 days, you can do that. Okay, just have to register. Punta lang kayo sa website. Later papakita ko sa inyo. You don't need to put in your card details. No need for debit or credit card. You just have to use your email address and just register so that you can start answering the, I think, 150 plus questions. Okay? All right, let's move on to number 10. So in a primary nursing model, who is responsible for providing leadership and ensuring quality control within the ward? So, sorry, na-caught yung attention ko ni Azriel. I really want to top the boards po and nakaka-pressure din yung CI and classmates ko. Alam mo, nakakatuwa yung mga ganyan, no? Parang they want to get the best. Parang not just kasi may ibang mga estudyante parang okay na yan, pumasa, ganyan. Pero I really admire those people who would like to be on top. Yan, yung magiging top-notcher, ganyan. Kasi ibang level ng dedication yung ganyan. So I really wish you the best, Azriel. And I think it's not impossible naman na mag-top ka ng boards. And the pressure is real naman talaga, no? Hindi lang din sa school eh. I mean, kahit sa workplace, kahit sa naman, no, may pressure. But it's up to you on how you will be able to handle it, no? How you can manage it. So, and of course, we have to pray for it, 'di ba? Hindi lang din kasi sarili nating effort, parang minsan kulang talaga. Syempre, tao lang tayo, 'di ba? We're not perfect. But then, we really have to do our best and then you seek assistance or just pray for guidance from the Lord. So I believe na makakatulong 'yun ng malaki. So we have letter. Okay, B daw final answer. O sige. C. May iba-iba, ano? Pero sige, let's go ahead and ano bang maraming answer dito? Dali kasi nag-iiba-iba guys eh. Okay, sige B. B. Head nurse daw. Okay, tama. So, the head nurse plays a critical role in overseeing the daily operations of the ward, including leadership and quality control. Ayun. Okay? Finish na tayo. Oh, wow, 5/10. Pasang-awa. Ayan, done na tayo kay Palmer. So before we move on to another topic, guys, I just want to show yung sinasabi ko kanina sa inyo na free trial. So para sa mga newbie, okay, first time naka-join sa live ng One Nurse, okay, so we have this NLE packages. Now, if you would like to try it, okay, just for the sake of trying and then ma-feel nyo kung paano mag-navigate and all, you can start free trial here, okay? Just have to go to onenurse.com, ayan, and then start free trial, okay? Again, no need ng mga card okay? Okay, and then, marami tayong packages here na depende sa needs nyo, guys. So, ito, yung till end of May 2025, ayan, may 2,599. Actually, guys, you can use the code Latiners kasi from there, pagdating nyo sa payment page, okay, magkakaroon na yung automatic ng discount. Okay, alam nyo na yung spelling ng Latiners, di ba? Parang sobrang Latiners, ganun. Type ko, just for the sake of, visibility, okay? And then, we also have 6 months, ayan. So, ito, 3,999. So, nandito na lahat. If you can see, kompleto na yan. May mga practice questions, flashcards, ganyan. And, pinakamaganda sa lahat, meron pang kasamang final coaching classes. Okay? You can see here on the screen. Okay? Then, we also have the 12 months. Ayan. Alright? Okay, so yeah, it's very easy naman to navigate, no? So, ito yung itsura ng app. Kita nyo yung heart. Ayan. Okay? So, wait lang. Okay, MS. Sorry, may Jana. Kasi nauna si Maya Bells. No? We'll take MS for now. Okay. Wait lang Chill lang kayo dyan. Ito na. Let's start. Alright, welcome to MedSurge. Number 1. So while educating a group of Cub Scouts about prevention techniques for an upcoming overnight camping trip, which statement from one of the Cub Scouts suggests a need for further instruction? Is it A, I should wear long sleeve tops and long pants? B, I need to bring a hat to wear during the trip. C, I should use insect repellent because it will attract the ticks. Or D, I need to wear a closed shoes and socks that can be pulled up over my pants. So, ano sa palagay niyo tamang sagot? Ito medyo i-analyze nyo lang muna kasi medyo mahaba, no? Minsan pag mahaba yung questions, mas mahaba din yung answers. Parang, alam mo yon, parang kailangan mo siyang namnamin muna. Okay, C. Sige, let's try. Okay, good job. Tama. So, to prevent Lyme disease, okay, individuals should be advised to apply insect repellent, on both their skin and clothing when they are in areas where ticks are commonly found. So, tama naman lahat. Okay, let's move on to question number 2. Okay, so with an occipital lobe injury, which assessment finding is expected? Okay, A, deficit in visual perception. B, difficulty with balance. C, impaired language comprehension. Or D, decreased motor coordination. So, ano bang sakop ni occipital lobe? Medyo refresh tayo. So, we got letter A. Sige, visual daw. Correct. So, occipital lobe is primarily responsible for visual processing. Okay, so injury can lead to visual deficits. Good job. Mukhang naaalala pa ang ANAFI, ano? Okay, next. When assessing a patient with multiple, I'm not sure, ano ba to, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. Which characteristic of a nevus would be most concerning for potential malignancy? Is it A, irregular border, B, uniform color, C, symmetrical shape, or D, small size? Aray ko, sorry. Okay, A daw, A. Sabi ni Queenie. Hi, Queenie. Welcome back. Wait lang, ha? Okay, sige. A, sige, we'll take the A na, no? We have 2 answers. Yes, correct. So, an irregular border in a nevus can be sign of malignant changes such as melanoma. Uniform color and symmetrical shape are generally less concerning. And size alone is not a primary indicator of malignancy. Ayun siya, guys. Wait lang. Teka lang, guys, ha? May inaayos lang ako. Hold on. Okay. Alright, so next tayo, ha? Wala naman kayong mga question, no? Guys, but if you have any question, even after our live session, you can definitely send your inquiries to our social media account. So, pwede rin dito sa TikTok, pwede rin naman sa FB. Okay? Meron din tayong YT channel, guys. Just to let you know. Okay? Follow nyo na rin kami. Subscribe. Ayan. So, a male client is admitted to the hospital is suspected of having Hodgkin's disease. Which assessment findings related to the condition of the client would the nurse expect to note? A, fatigue. B, weakness. C, weight gain. Or D, enlarged lymph nodes. Okay, we got these, a lot of these. Okay, let's try that. Enlarged lymph nodes daw. Yes, correct. So Hodgkin's disease usually begins as painless enlargement of one or more lymph nodes on one side of the neck. Okay, so tandaan nyo na yan, one side of the neck. Weight loss is most likely to be noted. Fatigue and fatigue and weakness may occur but are not related significantly to the disease. Okay? Next. All right, question number 5. So when assessing the progress of an of an elderly client with bulimia, which indicator best shows that the nutritional care plan is working? A, the client chooses a balanced diet from the menu. B, the client's hemoglobin and hematocrit levels are within normal ranges. C, the client's skin turgor has improved. Or D, the client has gained weight. Okay. We got two answers, no? A and D. So, ano sa palagay niyo, guys? Nag-iipit lang ako. Wala lang. Okay. Okay, sige, sige. D na lang muna, no? Parang yun yung mas marami. Okay, sandali. Ayan. Tama tayo. Yes. So weight gain is a direct and significant indicator of improved nutritional status and effectiveness of the treatment for bulimia. Okay? Tandaan nyo na to, guys. Choosing a balanced diet. So A is important but does not ensure actual intake or improvement. Improved lab values naman and skin turgor may be related but less specific siya to the immediate outcome of bulimia treatment. Hence, the answer is the client has gained weight. All right, let's move on to number 6. What is the correct route of administration for the MAN2 test? Naalala niyo pa ba to, guys? So A, sub-Q, B, intradermal, TIM, or DIV? Ayan, sa palagay ninyo, everybody. Ayan, hello sa mga nagjo-join na mga RN na dito, guys. And na-appreciate namin yung mga pag-share nyo ng knowledge and mga pagbibigay ng tips and advices, lalo na sa mga student nurses natin na magti-take pa lang ng board this coming May and November. We're actually wishing you the best and we're hoping na one take lang for everybody. Ayan. Kaya go na, scan nyo na tong QR code dito, install na, and yun na, avail na kayo ng package para, 'di ba, mas malaki yung chance. Well, depende naman sa tao 'yan, 'di ba, kung paano ka mag-aral, kung gaano ka ka-dedicated. Pero I'm 100% sure and 100% positive na malaki ang matutulong sa inyo ng One Nurse app. Kasi itong mga top-notcher natin dito sa gilid, yan, mga One Nurse user yan. So, why don't you try, 'di ba? There's no harm in trying and this is an investment, guys. Okay, it's not a waste of money. Okay, letter B, intradermal daw. So the MAN2 test for TB screening, okay, is administered intradermally to test for a reaction in the skin. Okay? So, which indicates potential TB exposure. Ayan, tama naman yung mga sumagot. Puro B. Okay, let's move on to number 7. So you explain to the patient that there is a connection between the nervous and endocrine system. Which part of the body acts as the link between these two systems? Okay, A, spinal cord, B, hypothalamus, C, pituitary gland, or D, thyroid gland. Okay. So, ano daw? The connection between the nervous and endocrine. So, ano yung link ng dalawang system na to? Spinal, hypothalamus, pituitary, or thyroid. So, we got 2 C's now and 2 D's. Okay, we have another C. So, let's take the letter C. Okay, tama yung mga sumagot ng B, hypothalamus. So, hypothalamus yung link between the endocrine and the nervous. Okay, so hypothalamus acts as the link between the nervous and endocrine, controlling the release of hormones from the pituitary gland. Ayun, I hope it's clear. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So Mrs. Smith has a plaster cast on her lower leg. What instructions should the nurse give her regarding signs that require immediate medical attention? Is it A, report any itching or discomfort in the cast? B, notify the healthcare provider immediately if she experiences numbness, swelling, or if the foot becomes cold and pale? C, inform the healthcare provider if she notices a foul odor coming from the cast? Or D, contact the healthcare provider if she has difficulty moving her toes. Okay, we have letter B from Jeg. How about the others, guys? What do you think is the answer here? Okay, B din from Maya. Sige, sige, sige. Meron pa from Winter, from Ayan, B daw, B. Okay, sige, push. Ayan, tama. So, these symptoms could indicate complications such as compartment syndrome or impaired circulation, which need prompt medical attention. Okay, next. All right, number 9. So, Nurse Jong is caring for Eric, a client with an acute head injury. The client is stabilized and ready to begin for rehabilitation when transferring Eric from his bed to chair. What should the nurse do to ensure client safety? A. Lock the brakes on the head, or sorry, on the bed. Ano ba yan? B. Place socks on the client's feet. C. Raise the side rails on both sides of the bed. Or D. Position the chair approximately 2 feet or 0.6 meters from the bed. Ayun. So, ano sa palagay ninyong anong dapat gawin ng nurse? Ayan. Okay, letter A daw. Okay, we have a lot of letter A. So, lock the brakes on the bed daw. Yan ang sagot. Let's see. So, locking the wheels of the bed will prevent the bed from sliding away, thus preventing further harm. So, yes, correct. And let's move on to number 10. So, the nursing staff were given an educational session by an oncology nurse specialist about the characteristics of Hodgkin's disease. The nurse evaluates them and identifies the need for additional teaching if nursing staff incorrectly state which of the following is a characteristic of the disease. A. There is presence of Reed-Sternberg cells. B. The prognosis depends on the stage of the disease. C. It occurs most often in the older adults. Or D. There is involvement of lymph nodes, spleen, and liver. Anong sagot? Parang kanina na pag-usapan na natin yung Hodgkin's, no? Nadaanan natin siya. Kaya lang iba lang yung question. Yan, hello. Thank you sa mga nag-follow. Guys, follow nyo kami Follow nyo kami dito. Tapos, follow nyo rin kami sa FB. Lagay nyo lang One Nurse Philippines. Ayan. May mga din dun parang daily questions kami, guys. So, meron ding YT channel. You can subscribe and like. Okay, okay. Ay, sorry. Ayan, what's your final answer? We have 40 seconds na lang. 40, ayan, 41, 40. Okay, C daw from Winter Jess. How about the others? Wala nang din na sumagot yung iba. Ano bang sa palagay niyo tamang sagot? Okay, ako hula ako D, no? Hula lang naman. We have C, we have D from Jana. Ako naman hula ako D. Let's wait for others. Baka may ano pa sila. So guys mag-install na kayo. Ito, scan nyo na yung QR code na yan para hindi kayo mabitin kasi nakakabitin naman yung ilang questions lang din naman ang nako-cover natin sa live. So again, it's really different if you have your own. You can do a self-paced learning. Napapalapit na guys, parang wala nang 30 days, 'di ba? Yung board natin. Wala, nag-zero na. O sige, di. Nag-zero na siya, OMG. Mali yung hula ko, guys. Siyang sagot. So, it occurs most often in the older adults. So, Hodgkin's disease primarily affects young adults. And the remaining characteristics are associated with this particular disorder. Oh, okay. Kasi nga parang no? Parang additional teaching. Ayan. Okay. So, ayun siya. Mali tayo. Mali ako ng hula. Yung mga nag-D dyan. Okay. Oh, 8/10. Not bad. Ayan. Ayan. Guys, pakita ko yung itsura ng app, ha. Ito siya yung heart, no? Pagka-click nyo dyan, kunyari na-install nyo na, nag-register na kayo and all. So, ito yung itsura. So, pag kinlik nyo tong PNLE review prep, andyan yung mga concepts na kaninang namili tayo. And then, you also have the option to go here sa board exam. So, board exam usually 2 hours yan. Teka lang. Pipindot lang muna ako ng, ayan. Hindi ko na siya gagawin kasi matagal siya, 2 hours siya eh. And then, ito naman yung dito lang din sa main page sa may PNLE Prep, may kita nyo yung quiz cards, flashcards. Tapos yung coaching videos, andyan din. Now, yung final coaching classes, syempre, ito siya, no? May separate session tayo for that. Lahat, if you purchase a package naman, you will be eligible for this one. Andyan yung schedule niya. From April 21 to April 25. Ayan, 6 to 8 p.m. Iba-iba yung magsasalita. Pero lahat sila guys, top-notchers. O, di ba, bongga? So, kung ako sa inyo, go na. Mag-subscribe na kayo and mag-sign up na kayo sa One Nurse app para naman malay mo, 'di ba? Maging top-notcher din kayo soon and then soon kayo rin yung magfa-facilitate nitong mga coaching classes. We'll never know, 'di ba? So yeah, so if you have questions, guys, you can again send a message here. Send your inquiries. Okay? May sasagot naman po sa atin from One Nurse. So ayun yung packages niya, guys. So just to give you here yung itsura niya. By the way, ito yung free yung free trial, yung nasa unahan. Ayan. So, kung gusto nyo matry, yung mga hindi pa nakakapag-free trial, you can try that. 7 days yan, 150 questions. Avail nyo, sayang din yan. And then, ito, kung gusto nyo na longer duration, meron tayong 6 months. Guys, meron din tayong 12 months. Ayan. Same lang naman yung niyan, yung content. It's just the duration. Yun lang yung difference niya. Okay? Alright, well, thank you so much for being with me tonight. So, asahan namin yan na. Antayin namin kayo mag-register. You can follow us again sa ating social media accounts. Okay? Thank you so much and have a great evening, everyone. Happy Friday and happy weekend. Bye-bye.